Morning guys, Foxhillbillys Mongol Rally 2017. I think it's day 32-ish. Basically, we camped on this road somewhere just outside of Samakand in Uzbekistan. There's Ryan's tent, and I've packed my tent up already, but there's the car. Basically, yesterday was a hard one for us. We took the first severe beating we've had this trip. So we had one punctured tyre, the number plate fell off, and we unfortunately broke at least one rear shock. We think we've broken two, but the back left rear shock is very, very rattly, so definitely that. We can see it definitely. But because of that and because of the state of the roads, it's just very, very, very slow progress. Yeah. So we had to drive. We had 70 kilometers left, and we had to drive about 20 kilometers if we were lucky an hour. So it took ages to do a really short trip. Oh, have a look at this geese. Working road. Anyway, about 1:30 in the morning, we got to maybe a couple of miles outside of Samakand. We were looking for a place to camp, and we found this road. We just made camp here. So our plan today is to find a garage, find someone that can sort our suspension out. So we didn't even bother looking at this before leaving, but our back end has been probably the lowest back end out of many teams that we've seen. So our idea today is get new springs, raise and crank up the back of our shocks so that the back end's higher than the front end, make us a monster truck Wagon R. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Update you in a bit. So we've arrived at this novelty garage, and now the translation begins. We got this geezer with no t-shirt on. Just drive over there, mate. He said just drive towards it. These geese. Everyone's crazy here. This guy's got no t-shirt on, but hopefully we can sort us out. This is our mechanic. His name's Joby. Oh, hello. Yeah. So we're in the car garage right now, having grapes with these guys. Hello, hello. And the car is up on its racks. Look at these grapes. Woo. And they look, grapes and vodka, and having it in bowls. When have you ever been to a car garage when they sit you down with a big pile of grapes and a bottle of vodka? It's amazing. So they've managed to get springs here. I don't know if you can see this. The springs, and they're gonna raise up our suspension right now. We've got some brand new springs as we see. We've been translating. Oh, he's got bushes as well. But we've told him that where we're going, Mongolia, there's big holes, so he's gonna crank up the back. The 2x4 always works. They've actually got a piece of wood supporting the car. Okay. There's 61,000. Oh, the springs are out. Pulling out some dodgy bushes.
I'm taking off the old bush.
Six. Yes, boy. Yeah.
Sick.
There's 5 lanes of traffic, but we're just going directly through it. Jesus. Sorry. Alright, everyone say sorry. Sorry. Oh, police there. Right, we're going through. Come on, we're going. Oh, sorry. God, everyone doesn't know. We're causing a traffic jam. Everyone's causing a traffic jam. Thank you. We're just saying hello. Alright, we're going through. We got this. Cheers. Thank you. Spasiba. Thank you. Cheers. And we're on the open road with New Springs. Yeah, guys. So we're currently looking for this market, and this geezer is showing us where to go. But we've been driving around and around for 40 minutes. Fuck's sake. Alright, enough. Look, look at that shit. This is a joke. Never let a guy you don't know just get in the car and drive. Oh, Ryan, are you having fun? You enjoying this, Ryan? Ryan, tell us what's going through your mind right now.
I have a headache.
Yeah.
It's so loud. I can't even hear myself think.
The garage is second time today, and we are getting our sump guard fitted. Sump guard. Crazy badgers. God damn. They got drills and hammers and they don't give a So we've they don't do many petrol tanks here, so we've had to fill up, had to film. We're in the middle of the high street. Dudes are filling up with these random cans. What's that? Yeah, we're Mongolia. Yeah. 33,750. I've got 30,000. That's the last I got. Just getting these. This is how they do petrol in Uzbekistan. Everything's on gas here. LPG. Hey guys, so Uzbekistan has certainly been a pleasure. We filled up in petrol, we've driven a couple of miles, and we're in this lovely courtyard. Music, barbecue, families, fucking just sick. Just stuff you don't realise about this part of the world. Everyone's the same as you, and it's not what the papers say. Classic. Hello! Yeah, not what the papers say when people in the Middle East are whatever you want to call them. They're lovely people, and I would recommend spending some time in the Middle East. But anyway, we are heading overnight to a border south of Samakand because the close border, the nice border, is closed for whatever reason. Classic. Anyway, we're going to Tajikistan tomorrow to Dushanbe, and we're just about to go to the Mongol Rally. Cheers! What's your name?
Yes, I know.
Yes, you know. Your beers are very nice. Very good beers. Bira. Uzbekistan number one. Number one. I'm Alex.
Brothers.
Nice to meet you. Anyway, say goodbye. Bye.